Hey guys, welcome back to another recipe. Today I have something very healthy for you guys. It is a chilly day, so I decided to make chicken noodle soup, which is amazing for this weather. Let's get to the recipe and see what we got in here. This video was requested by a very special person, and I hope you're watching it right now, and let me know if you like the video, and I'm really happy to make this happen. For this amazing and healthy recipe, we need some carrots, some zucchinis, some celery, some onion, sweet potatoes, fresh baby spinach, some chicken breast, we need chicken stock, some cloves of garlic, ginger, bay leaf, salt, pepper, and finally some turmeric. Let's get to the recipe and let's start. So first we're gonna peel the onions and chop it. So I am making this soup for 2 people. You can adjust the ingredients as many people you are. So we're just gonna chop the onions now. My onions are chopped. I am about to cry now.
Yeah, you're getting emotional?
Yeah.
Or is it just the onions?
I think it's just the onions. Or maybe it's you.
Maybe it's just a sad movie that you just watched?
Yeah, maybe. Okay. Oh, it's kind of strong. Ooh. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to the celery. Make sure you wash your veggies. Perfect, so you can cut your celery as you like. I'm just gonna cut it like an angle, just for the look of it. Perfect, these are done. I think today we have a lot of chopping to do. We're going to cut the carrots. This I'll cut it differently. I mean, just normal. Ooh. Alright, so the carrots are done too. And we're gonna move on to the next one, which is sweet potatoes, potatoes, whatever you call it. We're just gonna chop the ends.
Tomato.
Alright, so we're gonna peel this. Peel. Oh my god. Oh, okay. That looks like a workout. Oh my god, okay. So this one too, you can cut it as you like, any shape. We're not judging you.
I think we're just judging the sharpness of that knife.
Yeah, I need a knife.
Yeah, we should go buy one.
Alright, so as for your noodles, you can add whatever you love, but to make this recipe much more even lighter and healthier, I'm just going to substitute the noodles to zucchini noodles. So let's do that together and see how that turns out. These are the noodles, the zucchini noodles, and I'm gonna show you guys how we're gonna use these. So this one is from one zucchini. And this is my zucchini noodles, which is really nice and beautiful, and at the same time it's really healthy. We're just gonna go cook everything together and we're almost done. So my zucchini noodles are ready and they look really nice. Now we are going to cut the chicken breast, but also chicken soup is even better when you use darker meat, especially if there's bone in it. Super tasty, super delicious. So we're just gonna go small pieces. It's up to you. And also, I mentioned how to marinate your chicken before, just to get rid of the smell. So what you do, you wash it with cold water, and you're just gonna add lemon, vinegar, and some garlic, and leave it overnight, and you're really good to go. There's no chicken smell. Let me know in the comments down below what is your favorite soup. Mine is chicken roll, of course. Yeah. Comment down below, let me know.
I like mushroom cream.
Oh yeah, mushroom is really good.
Or like broccoli cream soup.
Yeah, or cauliflower, like creamy cauliflower.
Yeah.
Super good. So now we're gonna chop the ginger and garlic for extra taste and flavors. Alright, so the chopping is done and we're almost ready. We're gonna go to the stove and mix all the ingredients together and make the magic. Alright, so everything is right here. Everything is chopped and prepped and ready to be cooked. So let's get our heat on. Let's get our pot. Let's get the coconut oil. We're going to add the onions. So we're gonna cook the onions for about 2 minutes or so, and then right after we're gonna add the chicken and we're gonna mix them all together. So as you can see, we cooked the onions for about 2 minutes, and now it's time to add the chicken breast. Mix them well. As you can see, the chicken is not fully cooked, and as well the onion. So now it is time to add our rest of ingredients like ginger, garlic. Mix them well. We're gonna add the black pepper. It's about 1 teaspoon. Turmeric, half teaspoon. Some salt to taste. Mix them well. We're going to add the chicken stock. Now we're going to add the carrots, the sweet potato, celery, so we're gonna mix all the ingredients until everything is combined, and then we're going to add the water. We're just gonna add 1 bay leaf just for extra taste, extra flavor, and also it's time to add the water. It's about 1 liter. I'm just gonna add another half. So we're just gonna cover this and let it cook until it's softened. As you can see, I did not add the zucchini and the spinach. I'm just gonna add it as soon as this is ready. Alright guys, so I added another chicken stock to the soup. Also you can add cornstarch, which makes the soup more thicker and more like restaurant style. So it's really optional for this one. I am not going to add it because I am going for a more healthier recipe for the soup. So it's up to you if you want to add or not. Alright guys, so the vegetables are softened and it's time to add the rest of the veggies that we have here. I am going to add the spinach And my noodles, my zucchini noodles. And also for more color, we're going to add some corn. Look at this. I wish you guys were here, and the smell is amazing. So delicious. Really, really delicious and healthy at the same time. So if you're feeling sick, this is your recipe. This is your food. This is your soup. Make sure you make this.
So do you have to be sick to eat it, or?
Honestly, like it's a healthy recipe. You can eat it anytime. You can prepare it anytime you want. But mostly, it's like I remember whenever like I used to feel sick, my mom used to make this recipe. So it's like whenever you feel sick, it's the same time.
I think I got a cough coming. I think I need some soup.
Here, honey. So this is after 5 minutes when we added the zucchini. And it's really nice and soft, and it's ready to be served. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys all enjoyed this beautiful recipe. It is really healthy. I would suggest if you guys try this recipe out. Also, be sure to tag me on my Instagram as wont. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and also like my videos. Until next video, bye bye.